Hi guys, this is my tutorial on how to create to sum up a bunch of numbers in Excel. This is for about, I don't know, you could say anywhere from 4th to 6th grade, depending on what age you're learning how to use Excel. But this is how you would find up a sum of numbers in Excel. So I typed in, we're going to be finding the total number of apples. In each bin, there are a total of 20 bins. So I created basically a spreadsheet, and on the left here it has our bin number, and on the right it has the total number of apples were in each bin. So to start out, you're going to click in the cell or up here in your formula bar, either one, and you're going to type in equals, and then you're going to type in sum. And it pops up here, and you can double click sum so it's in all caps, and you are going to want to highlight just the numbers from the start of the bin to bin 1 all the way down to bin 20. Notice how it puts it in parentheses from your B3 all the way to B22. You're going to want to close the parentheses, letting know Excel that those are the only numbers you want to sum up, and it's going to create a box around it all. And all you're going to wanting to do is just hit enter. So we're going to hit enter, and down here it's going to give us the total number of apples, or total apples we have in all of our 20 bins, and that is 1,138. So this is a quick tutorial on how to use the sum to calculate the total number of apples we have in our bin. So that's the sum formula for this section.